How to enable Bard on Google Workspace. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Bard on Google Workspace. So first of all, Bard is basically a ChatGPT alternative on Google. So in order to enable Bard, search for admin.google.com, and after that just log into your account, and once you log into your account, just go to admin console and just log into your account, and in the navigation section at the left hand side of your screen, just click on apps, and after that under the drop down menu, just click on additional Google services, and after that just click on early access app, and here you will see the code data access permission, and after that you will see data access setting. You just have to click the check mark, and once you check the mark, just click on confirm, and there your Google Bard will be turned on. So this is how you will be able to enable Bard on your Google Workspace. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.